Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this mermaid outfit in Dress to Impress without VIP. Okay, first of all guys, you can choose this hairstyles and you're going to color it green. You can copy my color code and then you're going to wear the mermaid set from the codes item and you're going to color it this green color as well. Okay, the next one, I'm going to go to the dressing room and then I'm going to select the skirt. Okay, and you're going to color it green for all the selection and then change the toggle to skirt. The next one guys, you're going to go to the codes item and you're going to choose this crown and then change the toggle to 2 and then I'm going to color it with this color, this one, and for the next one you're going to color it this one. Okay, and then I'm going to go to this menu and then I'm going to wear the crown from the style showdown, color it green. Make sure you have won the style showdown, but if you don't have this crown, that's okay because it will be still beautiful just using the this crown from the codes item. Okay, and then oops, sorry guys, I forgot one item. Okay, you can use this axe and you're going to color it this black color for the first selection, and for the second selection you're going to color it green. Okay, just like this, and then I'm going to move to the next area. Okay, you can choose this flower from the petal update and then you're going to color it green for the first selection, and the next selection green for the roses, and for the butterfly chains I'm going to color it with this color. Okay, and then I'm going to move to the next area right here. I'm going to choose this item, oops, this one, and then we're going to color it green. Okay, now let's move to this area and I'm going to wear item from the Valentine's update. Okay, you can choose this bracelet and color it with this color, and then also, okay, that's enough. And then I'm going to move to the next area. I'm going to go to the necklace area. It's here. I'm going to select this necklace and color it green for all the selection, and this one as well, color it green for all these selections, and then this necklace, and again just color it green. Okay, now I'm going to go to the culture clothing area, which is right here, and then I'm going to wear the item from India. Choose this one and we're going to color it with this color. Okay guys, and this is the final result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.